Good nutrition is essential for optimising fertility in both men and women. One of the best ways to make sure that you're eating a variety of nutrients every day is to include lots of different coloured plant foods in your diet. In today's video, I'll be talking about eating the rainbow for boosting fertility. You see, fresh fruits and veggies are abundant in antioxidants, which help protect cells against damage from free radicals. Given that egg and sperm are cells, they help protect them too. Eating a wide variety of coloured foods will ensure that you get a variety of antioxidants that each play differing roles in cell protection. And it's not just antioxidants either that are known for boosting fertility. Many other nutrients found in brightly coloured plant foods can also help. So, what are these nutrients? Well, stay tuned to find out. Hello, my name is Melanie McGrice and I'm a dietitian who specialises in nutrition for fertility. I work with parents-to-be and guide them on how to increase their chances of conception through the power of food. If you haven't already, download our free fertility meal plan from melaniemcgrice.com/fertility. Now, first up, let's talk about green veggies. Folate is one of the most important nutrients for boosting fertility. Although it's found in many different coloured foods, green vegetables such as spinach, kale, arugula or rocket, broccoli, Brussels sprouts and asparagus are very good sources of this vitamin. For women struggling to conceive, ensuring adequate folate in your diet is important to help prevent neural tube defects that have the potential to lead to miscarriage early on in pregnancy. And for women going through IVF, research has shown that folate supplementation and subsequent increases in folate levels in follicular fluid, which is the fluid that nourishes the developing eggs, was associated with a 3.3 times greater chance of becoming pregnant. Now, if you're wanting to add more greens and folate to your diet, maybe give my fertility juice a go. I'll link to it in the description box below. Now, let's talk about carotenoids. So carotenoids are pigments in plants that give them their red, orange and yellow colours. Think sweet potatoes, red and yellow bell peppers, pumpkin, carrots and mangoes. Not only are carotenoids great for boosting fertility in women, but also in men. For women, particularly those struggling with excess body weight, increased intakes of beta-carotene, which is a type of carotenoid, was associated with a shorter time to getting pregnant. Again, women going through IVF, ensuring that you're getting enough beta-carotene in your diet might also benefit you, as low levels have been associated with decreased IVF success. For men, there's a carotenoid called lycopene, which is found in more bright red coloured fruits and veggies. Research has shown that it can help improve sperm motility and quality, and tomatoes are an excellent source of lycopene. Now, to take advantage of the lycopene in tomatoes, cooking them in olive oil greatly increases its absorption. So it's a great reason to enjoy those tomato-based pasta sauces. All right, so we've talked about green, orange, red and yellow coloured foods. That leaves us with purple and blue. Purple and blue fruits and veggies contain a compound called anthocyanin. Now, examples of these foods include blackberries, blueberries, black grapes and plums, and also purple cabbage. The antioxidant power of anthocyanins help protect cells from free radical damage, and as I mentioned, this includes egg and sperm cells. But these foods mentioned also contain another essential nutrient researched for boosting fertility, and that's vitamin C. Optimal levels of vitamin C within the ovary is important for the development and maturation of the egg. There's also some evidence to suggest that vitamin C can improve fertility in women with luteal phase defect, which affects between 3 to 10% of women with subfertility. So, to boost your fertility, focusing on eating a wide variety of coloured plant foods every day will help optimise your chances of conception. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't done so already, make sure that you subscribe and check out some of my other fertility videos, such as Boosting Fertility with Antioxidants, where I talk more in depth about the role of antioxidants and how they work. I'll see you in my next video. Green vegetables such as spinach, kale, for women, excuse me.